Hello, everyone, and welcome to Talukdar Helpline, your friendly space to learn practical English for everyday life. I'm Asad.
And I'm Sophia. Today we're diving into one of the most common places people visit. Yes, the coffee shop.
Whether you're grabbing a quick drink, meeting a friend, or just relaxing, coffee shops are everywhere. And guess what? They're also a great place to practice your English.
That's right. In this episode, we'll help you learn useful phrases for ordering drinks, asking questions, and chatting with the staff. So if you're new here, don't forget to follow Talukdar Helpline for more practical English tips.
Let's imagine you walk into a coffee shop. What's the first thing you do? You go to the counter and greet the staff. A simple hello or good morning is a great way to start.
Then the staff might say, "Hi, what can I get for you?" Or "What would you like today?" And you can reply with something polite like, "I'd like a coffee, please," or "Can I have a cappuccino?"
Both I'd like and can I have are polite and easy ways to order. Now, let's talk about how to order different drinks and customize them if needed.
When you're at the counter, you can say, "I'd like a latte, please," or "Can I have a black coffee?" These are clear and polite.
You might also hear people say, "Could I get a cappuccino?" or "I'll have an espresso." All of these are common and polite.
Now, let's look at the types of drinks you might find. There's latte, cappuccino, espresso, americano, black coffee, iced coffee, tea, and hot chocolate.
That's a good list. And don't forget about size. The staff might ask, "What size would you like?" You can say small, medium, or large.
In some places, they use special names like tall, grande, or venti. So be ready for that too.
You can also customize your drink. For example, "I'd like a latte with almond milk," or "Can I have it without sugar?"
And if you want to take your drink away, you can say, "Can I get it to go?" Or if they ask, "For here or to go?" you can reply with, "To go," or "For here."
Here's a full example. "Hi, I'd like a medium cappuccino with oat milk, please. To go." Simple, polite, and clear.
Now let's talk about food. Many people enjoy a snack with their coffee. What kind of food can we order?
Coffee shops often have cookies, cakes, muffins, sandwiches, croissants, and sometimes salads.
If you want to order food, you can say, "I'd like a chocolate chip cookie, please," or "Can I have a slice of carrot cake?"
If you have allergies or dietary needs, you can ask, "Does this have nuts?" or "Is this gluten-free?"
You can also ask for suggestions. Try saying, "What do you recommend?" or "What's your most popular snack?"
Here's a full example. "Hi, I'd like a cappuccino and a cheese sandwich, please." Or, "Can I get a latte and a blueberry muffin?"
Always remember to say please and thank you. Being polite makes the experience better for everyone.
And again, the staff may ask for here or to go. Just answer based on your preference.
Now let's move on to paying. After ordering, it's time to pay. What can we say?
You can ask, "How much is it?" Or, "Can I pay by card?" if you're using a debit or credit card.
Or, "Do you accept cash?" if you're paying with money. When they tell you the price, you can say thank you and give your payment.
Sometimes they'll ask, "Would you like a receipt?" You can say yes, please, or no, thank you.
When their drink is ready, they may call your name or number. When you get your order, say thank you very much. And before leaving, it's nice to say, "Have a great day," or "Thanks, see you next time."
Politeness always helps. Now, let's practice some short conversations you might hear or say in a coffee shop.
Here's the first one. Imagine you walk in and greet the barista.
"Hi, good morning.
"Good morning. What can I get for you today?"
I'd like a medium latte, please."
"Sure. Would you like any milk options?"
"Yes, can I have almond milk?"
"Of course. Anything to eat?"
No, thank you.
Okay, your total is $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready shortly.
Now, let's try another one. This time, ordering food.
Hello, can I have a cappuccino and a chocolate muffin, please?
Sure, for here or to go.
For here, please.
That'll be $6.25.
Here is my card.
Thank you.
Thanks. Your order will be ready shortly.
Practicing these conversations will help you feel more confident when you visit a coffee shop.
Now, let's go over some common questions and how to answer them.
One common question is, for here or to go? Just answer with, for here, please, or to go.
Another one is, what size would you like? You can say small, please, or medium, please, or large, please.
If they ask, would you like anything else? You can say, no, that's all, thank you. Or, yes, I'd like a cookie too.
You might hear, what name should I put on the order? Just say your first name. For example, my name is ASAD.
And finally, would you like a receipt? You can say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
These questions come up often, so knowing how to answer them makes everything smoother.
Now, let's talk about shy learners. Many people feel nervous speaking English in public places.
That's true, but don't worry, it's normal. Even native speakers feel shy sometimes.
The best way to feel confident is to practice. You don't need to say a lot. Even 1 or 2 polite sentences are a great start.
Try this. Practice your order at home. Stand in front of a mirror and say, I'd like a small coffee, please.
Repeat it several times. You can also write it down and read it out loud. Keep it simple. Use the same phrases until you feel ready.
And if you make a mistake, it's okay. Most staff are kind and patient. They'll still understand you.
Also, smile. A smile shows you're friendly even if your English isn't perfect.
Let's quickly review. Use polite phrases like I'd like, can I have, thank you, and to go, please.
And remember, small steps every day will help you grow your confidence.
Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this episode, follow Talukdar Helpline and leave us a comment. What's your favorite drink at a coffee shop? We'd love to hear from you.
See you next time. Keep practicing and stay confident.
Bye for now.